Hellcat.
Hello guys, today we're gonna play the game where you can get seizures while trampling over 100 of the clones. It's Noob Train. Noob Train is such a crazy game with Vegeta fighting Goku. Like that. This is Vegeta and this is Goku going Ashafu Amasei. Alright. That's a hit! Ha. Oh, you try to kick me, but you can't. Alright, let's... And then suddenly, it uses Kakemun's Najutsu. Oh my god, where these guys come from? 2 is crazier than 1. They're using me like a soccer ball. Come on, guys, you can. You guys are professional. Make Christian. Oh, like, oh, come on, fly, fly, pigeon, fly, fly. I won't. Oh, bottle flip. Oh. Oh. Nah. Whoa, this guy's going lightning speed. I want to follow Swirl. Oh, come on. My lightning speed is so fast. Oh, I just kicked you guys. Yeah. Please do not give me anxiety. Alright, let's just go insane instantly. Five of them are pretty good, but they're not good enough. We need more soon. Ha! You can't attack me. Oh no, they're trying to use lightning speed. Alright, let's just go use it. But I don't want to go too crazy, or else it'll break the game. Yeah, that's enough craziness. Maybe 5,000 will be enough. 5,000. Yeah, 5,000 is enough. It won't break the game. Never mind, it can break the game. It can go to the nether realms this time. Never mind, I bet it can. Oh, this is better. Alright, let's just renew to 5. Here's the 5. They punch me in the face. Oh no, lightning speed. Oh my goodness, it can go Kakemushi Najutsu so well. So well noted. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is? Omae Munjindeyu. Nani? I thought it was gonna be Omae. Don't they? Omae Munjindeyu. Nani? 10 of the dumps. They kicked me in the legs. Didn't use Kakemushi Najutsu for that. Saitama will be like, I'm proud of you. This is a good opponent. This kind of clones in Bakuno from My Hero Academy, or known as Bakuno Roblox. Oh my goodness. Please stop this insanity. Alright, let's just go to 15. Kagemun. Making it even more insane, it slammed me. Well, I don't really care about the jump power because I thought I saw someone dead from in Among Us. Whoa! Oh! Well, I'm like a driller right now. They stepped me over. Okay, let's just go even more crazy. Please stop. Vegeta will be like, oh yes, go destroy Goku. It's over 9,000. What? 9,000? Oh my goodness. Oh, that thing is like, Please stop this badminton course. Oh, I'm alive here. They won't get me. They won't get me. Come on. Oh, like, are you sure about that? Oh my, this is such glories. All right, let's just go in even more crazier. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Rose up Sleeley. This is when Cristiano Ronaldo decided to leave the system. I don't need to know how to play. I already played this thing a long time. Why you are using me like a soccer ball? There are 25 players in one team. Ah! Ah! Why? Why? Oh my goodness. Wait, did that thing teleport? It's like, oh, okay, I decided to leave the system. Yay, no more left. Alright. I'll be, my brain will be like, are you sure about that? Stop the kick. I'm making a Beyblade right now. Oh no! Oh my goodness! They go to the nether realms. Oh, let's just turn the speed down. Just kidding. No. Just kidding. No. I'll keep the speed because this speed it looks. I think I just teleported to dimension. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm stuck. Oh. Yo, this is going faster. It's like it's not enough. Oh, well, it's like, did you just go through a wall? You shaved my gorgeous. What's my camera doing now? Oh no! I'm sorry to break dance. Oh no! What are they doing? They're using a penta blaster. They decided to use penta blaster. All right. I decided to make one, and that's bad. They tried to kick me in the face, but they won't. Let's just go and see. A slamming death. Oh no, they're duplicating. Like, oh, you are not gonna live right now. Punch in the face, One Punch Man, boy. Oh, I decided to. It just took my soul from the undead. Did my friend join? Come on. Shave me. You just go through my soul. And this is like somebody just go through you and then suddenly you shattered to pieces. This is one of them. Oh my goodness. This is excellent. Oh my goodness. Like, oh, come on. Hey. Come on. I can just. It's kind of like laser tag, except you will fly off into space if you get hit by one. Or they won't like. You will not live right now. When you get shot by a lot of lasers, that's a problem. Oh my goodness, they make an X-ray of death and blast me to the side. They decide to kill me. I am their master. Why they should kill me? What? I'm gonna view this. Okay, there's nothing. There's nothing here. Oh my. Oh. What is going going on? What is this Kaki Muslim no jutsu? What? Oh, just jump. Make me jump. Oh no, it's like, oh, no. Oh, it's like, you got my head. Ew, ew, ew. Oh, this is what 1000 looks like. Let's go insane. What happens if I do this? Goodbye, internet. I'll destroy you now. I'll step you on. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, it's like Kaki was not just Goodbye, internet. Goodbye. Oh, my iPad's gonna get pissed off. I thought this iPad's gonna get pissed off. We don't need physics where we're going. I don't know what my Oh my goodness, it's like, I'm getting seizures. I am immune to them. Haha, you can't destroy me now. Okay, never mind. Like, oh, you're never gonna be safe now. You gotta go. The doctor's like, how many bruises you have? I said, uncountable. Do the uncountable. Oh my goodness. At this rate, I feel like I'm teleporting to different dimensions. Wait. How about talk? Yeah. I almost got pissed off. Oh my goodness, I can't go through things. That's good. Now I can avoid these guys. Goodbye. Just kidding, no. Let's just go over. Let's just go back to 1000 because I feel like this is gonna be this is a bad idea. It's kind of like a YouTuber. Okay. And the fans are like, I will force you to make this new thing insane. Or else I will unsubscribe you. Yeah, that's right. For subscribers, for my fans. And then blows up the PC, and it's like, and the fans like, boo, you didn't make it, boo. But the fans didn't realize that what they're making. This is one of them. Oh no, they're gonna make a cooking jutsu with me. Your soul will never be alive. Oh my goodness, they're so fast. They're coming for you. This was like, science is stupid. Oh my goodness. You obey me. What is and these guys like, we won't. Oh no, this one managed. Oh, this is a good idea. Wow, this is literally the most insane. Oh, let's just do one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's so pissed off. Oh my goodness. Not even one is already insane enough. Let's just reset. Now you won't. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? Want speed? Alright, let's race. Oh. Alright guys, I guess this is the end of the video. I like, subscribe, and see what this guy's doing, and then rotating me around and then punch me in the face and kiss me. Alright. Let's do this. Goodbye, world. I will go to the Ark's realms. Bye. Come on. They won't allow me. Oh my goodness. What happens if I... Alright, Noodle Man. Make me proud. No. That. Oh my goodness, it can teleport every time. This goes to the nether realms of nothingness. What happens if you... Maybe. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, guys. Let me just get out of this world right now. Yay, we break the game. Wait. We gotta go! Come on, just get out of space or something. I know what to do. Goodbye. Alright, say goodbye to mates.